Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can restart OnePlus without power button. So if for some reason you are not able to use the side power key, perhaps it is broken or for whatever other reason, you can easily circumvent this and turn on or access the power off menu through using the accessibility shortcut, which you can enable by going into settings, then going for the additional settings category. In here, enter the accessibility section, then go for the accessibility button, or not button, excuse me, menu, and in here, in front of a shortcut, turn this toggle on, then tap allow, OK. As you can see, this shortcut appears, which you can move, well, whatever actually, and once you tap on it, as you can see, you will be able to tap at the power menu as well, and from here just, well, drag this slider either to the top if you would like to restart your device, drag and release, or to the bottom if you would like to power it off. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.